Have you ever heard of garlic water? It may not sound glamorous, but this simple drink is one of the most powerful natural healing remedies you can make right at home. Just a few sips every morning can help lower blood pressure, boost your immune system, and even cleanse your liver naturally. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you how to make it and the best time to drink it for maximum benefits. What is garlic water? Garlic water is simply garlic-infused warm water made from fresh crushed garlic cloves. When you crush garlic, it releases a compound called allicin, which is known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. This compound is what gives garlic its strong smell and its powerful healing effects. 7 proven health benefits. Let's look at what happens to your body when you start drinking garlic water daily. 1. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and naturally reducing high blood pressure. It's a gentle and effective remedy for people trying to manage hypertension without chemicals. 2. Improves heart health. Garlic water lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Regular consumption supports a stronger heart and reduces the risk of heart disease. 3. Boosts immunity. Feeling weak or catching colds easily? Garlic water strengthens your immune system by fighting harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, helping your body stay strong against infections. 4. Detoxifies the liver. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins naturally. It also protects the liver from damage caused by alcohol or processed foods. 5. Fights infections naturally. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. From sore throats to stomach infections, it helps your body fight harmful microbes without the side effects of drugs. 6. Improves digestion and gut health. Drinking garlic water on an empty stomach helps clean the digestive tract, improves gut bacteria balance, and can even relieve bloating or constipation. 7. Supports weight loss and metabolism. Garlic water helps boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and promote fat burning when combined with a healthy diet. 8. Enhances skin glow. Thanks to its antioxidants, garlic helps reduce acne, clear out toxins, and promote brighter, healthier skin over time. How to prepare garlic water. Here's how to make your own garlic water at home. Take 1 or 2 fresh garlic cloves, crush them gently to release allicin. Add them to a cup of warm water, not hot. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Optional, add a few drops of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey to improve taste and enhance detox benefits. Final tips and encouragement. Remember, natural remedies like garlic water work best with consistency. Drink it every morning for a few weeks and you'll start to notice the difference. More energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips every week.